everyone, welcome back to As Simple As That with me Arushi, and this is my birthday month as you all know. So first of all, you all need to know that if you want me to answer any of your questions, go in the comments and write #Arushi, #Ask Arushi, and ask me any questions. Also, if you want me to go live on my birth date, go in the comments and type #Go Live. And yep. And as it is my birthday month, I'm going to teach you how to make a few cakes in further videos. So today's video is going to be a chocolate fudge cake. So before starting the video, like, share, subscribe and comment down below on what you want me to do next. Also hit that notification bell and join the notification squad so that you don't miss any further videos. Till then, let's get started. videos, try this fudge cake out, and yeah, for any birthdays and stuff. Also remember the hashtags Arushi and hashtag go live till 29th October. That's my birth date. And like, share, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want me to do next. Also hit the notification bell, join the notification squad so that you don't miss any further videos. Till then, much love.